This is one of India's most extraordinary villas and it definitely needs to be on your bucket list. Welcome to Sunset on the Lake by StayVista, an award-winning retreat crowned Villa of the Year by MakeMyTrip. Located near Nashik, this stunning villa is perched on top of a private hill offering breathtaking panoramic views in every direction. Step inside this spacious living area that seamlessly opens up to a gorgeous infinity pool designed to blur the lines between luxury and nature. Thoughtful details add charm, while the separate dining area, complete with an outdoor section, lets you soak in the beauty of the surroundings. The villa features 5 elegant bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and uninterrupted lake views. This makes it the perfect place to relax, unwind, and maybe even extend your stay for a work-from-home day in paradise. But the true showstopper has to be its jaw-dropping infinity pool, and watching the sunset from here is nothing short of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So share this video with your travel buddies to start planning your next getaway, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive content.